Nubians. Let me holler at y'all for a second. Or as soon as I start this video, somebody will drive by. Man, I am looking rough. Damn. Anyway, we out here looking at the cliffs. Turn y'all around. Look at that. I'm here at the ocean. It's a Friday afternoon. Thought I'd come out here and get a little look around. Of course, now that I'm starting this video, everybody wants to ride by, right? Got the dirty ass bike sitting over there. We've been getting some rain, lots of rain actually, for the past few days. Actually the past few weeks. It's been raining practically every single day. It's probably gonna rain today. Check out the clouds over there. We're gonna get more rain. It's gonna happen. So when we get rain like this, we get some pretty big waterfalls in some places. I'm gonna try to get out and get some videos of these waterfalls. That is, if the weather holds up. It was looking like it was also about to hit a rain cloud a little bit ago, so I kind of changed my mind. I detoured and ended up here. Is that a turtle? That looked like a turtle. Hold on, check this out. Is that a turtle? Y'all see a turtle? I thought I saw a turtle. Maybe it was a rock. I don't know. But anyhow, we got another truck going by. A little truck going by. I'm gonna get on the old weather app and I'm gonna see what the clouds looking like. If it's gonna hold off for another little bit, I'm gonna run down and show y'all one of these big waterfalls we got. It's not too far from here, but between here and there, it was looking a little sketchy. Normally I'm not opposed to riding in the rain, but it's not the rain that bothers me. It's wearing the rain gear. It's like 75% humidity right now. And if I gotta put on rain gear, God, I'm gonna be wetter inside the rain gear than I'm gonna be outside. All the sweating I'm gonna be doing, so really ain't for all that. All right, let me check the weather app and see what it's looking like. This is stop number 2. The waterfall is downstream from here. You got a little something happening up there. Not really a waterfall.
Alright, YouTubians, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it here. This is just a little excursion to get out of the house. But now I got to run back and go take care of my domestic responsibilities. You might know them as chores. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. And you guys take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And don't go chasing waterfalls. I had to do it. Bye.